Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to clear your cache on Plex application. So let's jump in right into the video since it's pretty easy. Launch open your Plex application on your preferred device and also make sure to log into your account. After you're in the main homepage, tap on the hamburger menu at the top left-hand corner. Now in the expanded menu, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right-hand corner. And from the settings menu, tap on the advanced option at the bottom. Now scroll down from the advanced menu and tap on reset cache. In the pop-up, tap on reset data and you will be able to delete your cache data from your Plex application. So that was how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.